Hey everyone, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Our SS6 light bars and fog kits have been a go-to choice for years. Compact, powerful, and built to last. And today, that foundation gets a major upgrade. Meet the all-new SS6 Light Bar. Completely redesigned from the ground up, it brings the same leap forward you've seen in our larger Stage Series light bars, now in a compact package. You're getting higher output, tighter optical control, and better durability across every part of the design. First up, performance. The new SS6 uses our patented total internal reflection optics, the same tech behind every Stage Series product. Instead of bouncing light around with a basic reflector, our TIR optics collect and focus every bit of light exactly where you want it. No unused light, no glare, just clean, efficient output with a defined beam pattern. And just like our larger bars, the SS6 now comes in multiple power levels: Sport, Pro, and Max. Each one uses finely tuned LED chips, but the standout is the Max, which uses the same Osram Boost HX LEDs found in our highest output Stage Series products. Even with a compact 4 LED layout, the SS6 Max pushes 7,920 raw lumens, which outperforms competitors that rely on 6 or more LED chips. All versions run 6000K cool-white LED emitters, and you can easily swap patterns and colors with interchangeable TIR optics. The result is class-leading performance in a compact package, built to give you better visibility and more confidence wherever you're driving. And on top of that, the SS6 gets the full Stage Series optic lineup, including refined versions of the popular patterns that these kits are known for. Each beam pattern is engineered for real-world performance. The SAE fog pattern uses our distinctive fine-line optics to deliver an extremely wide field of view, providing high intensity and even output across an 80-degree spread. With a precisely defined sharp cutoff, it eliminates glare for other drivers and maintains full SAE road compliance, making it an ideal choice for on-road use. It's a substantial upgrade over any factory fog lamp, fully illuminating the area in front of your vehicle with a clean, even beam. And with a wide range of vehicle-specific kits available, installation is simple and seamless, giving you a perfect fit and factory-style appearance for your setup. Next up, SAE driving, a balanced beam pattern designed to supplement your high beams, adding extra distance and width without creating glare. Perfect for street use or highway driving late at night. Our most versatile pattern, the combo driving, combines long-range throw with a wide foreground illumination for an ideal all-around beam pattern. Next, our flood optic, a wide 80-degree spread for maximum coverage in close-range applications, perfect for work lights, campsites, or trail visibility. Finally, our spot optic, for those who want pure distance. A tight, focused 6-degree beam pattern designed to cut through the night and illuminate far downrange. Each optic is precisely engineered for its purpose, with no glare, no dead zones, and no uneven hotspots. But performance isn't the only upgrade. The new SS6 adds integrated backlighting, a signature feature across the Stage Series lineup and something most competitors still don't offer or execute well. Available in amber or red, it gives the bar a clean, modern look even when the main beam is off. Amber works perfectly up front for a DRL-style accent, while red is ideal for rear-facing setups as a marker light. Either way, it adds functional style and brings the SS6 in line with the rest of our Stage Series products. And to round out the look, the SS6 is available with our new snap-on covers. These covers match what we offer on the larger light bars and make it easy to change style or add protection. Just snap them on, no tools required. They're a quick way to switch output color, customize the look, or keep your lenses protected on the trail. The SS6 is built for versatility. Its compact size makes it one of the most adaptable light bars in our Stage Series lineup, ready for custom work or auxiliary setups. It's offered in a dedicated flush mount version, or you can pair the standard bar with the optional U-bracket if your install calls for it. That opens up placement in grills, bumpers, fog lights, and other tight mounting locations. Wherever you put it, the SS6 brings the same precision-engineered performance you expect. For factory-style installs, the SS6 is fully compatible with our vehicle-specific mounting kits. These bolt directly into popular applications like the Tacoma, 4Runner, Tundra, and many more. And if you're already running a Stage Series fog light kit, upgrading is simple. A new adapter bracket lets the redesigned SS6 drop right into your existing setup. Plus, these kits offer off-road durability and style with a massive improvement in output from the factory fog. Every SS6 fog light kit includes the brackets, hardware, and plug-and-play harnesses you need to go from box to installed with no extra parts. And if you want to get creative, the SS6 works with our modular Mini-CrossLink system. You can link multiple bars together to create custom shapes or wider setups, perfect for rigs that need tailored coverage or unique mounting solutions. Of course, none of this would matter if they weren't built to last. Like all of our Stage Series products, these are engineered and made right here at our facility in St. Louis, Missouri, using global materials. We've put these light bars through their paces in our in-house test lab, including age testing, extreme temperature and humidity, corrosion, impact and vibration, with extensive test protocols that exceed DOT requirements. Plus, they offer IP69K moisture ingress protection, so you can rest assured these lights will light up the trails for years to come. And we back that up with a limited lifetime warranty. The all-new SS6 Light Bar is purpose-built from end to end. You get higher output, precise beam control, clean backlighting, plug-and-play fitment, and the durability the Stage Series lineup is known for. Power and control. That's the Diode difference. If you're ready to pick up an SS6 Light Bar or vehicle-specific kit for your ride, visit diodynamics.com or an authorized dealer to get one today. And if you want full command of your setup, pair it with the D-Switch 8-channel switch panel, or build out your system with Stage Series pods and our larger light bars for a complete lighting package. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. If you have any questions, be sure to comment them down below. Thanks for watching.